Okay, what's a counterexample to the conjecture? The product of two positive numbers is greater than the sum of the two numbers. So the product of the first one, 3 and 5, the product of 3 and 5 is 15. Is that greater than the sum, which is 3 plus 5 or 8? Yeah, it's greater. So that's not a counterexample because that works. Okay. What about the product of these two positive numbers? 2 and 2 is 4. Is greater than the sum of the two numbers. What's 2 plus 2? It is 4. Is 4 greater than 4? Nope. This makes a claim that the product of the two positive numbers is always going to be greater than the sum. And 4 is not greater than 4. It is the same. And so therefore, B is the answer. Okay. What is a counterexample for the conjecture? Any number that's divisible by 4 is also divisible by 8. Well, every other multiple of 4 is divisible by 8, but all of them aren't. Okay? Because you have to be an even multiple of 4. 4 times 2, or 4 times 4, or 4 times 6, or 4 times 8, or whatever. Okay, so odd multiples of 4, 4 times 3, for example, which is 12. Okay, 12 is divisible by 4. And when they say divisible, they mean it works out to be a whole number. Is 12 divisible by 8? Does that work out to be a whole number? Nope, that works out to be 1.5. Okay, what is a counterexample? So 12 is a counterexample.